Just do the best you can on that, Jim. No problem.
Okay, you must have the picture now, or at least the antenna's pointed.
Okay, Dave, we've got the data. And we're working on the picture.
Okay, and do you want a dust? Okay, do you want a dust job?
Stand by on the dust job.
We're starting to move it now. Okay. Okay, well, we're going to leave the rover here. That's what I wondered.
Okay, fine.
Boy, what a view, huh? That's something. Oh, spectacular.
And do we have a picture down here?
Well, you couldn't, Joe, because the camera's pointed straight down.
Roger, it's a close-up of the rover wheel. And it's still smoking.
Oh. Okay, Jim, let's get on with seeing what's here at the front. I'm with you. Okay, let's go up first so we can come downhill. And there's one of those fresh little craters. Yeah. Let's go sample that one. Got glass in the bottom. I never thought we'd have a problem like this on the moon, like we're doing field trips, trying to maintain our balance. Yeah, I never did either. Oh boy. It's a nice little crater, isn't it? It sure is. Okay, I'll get you a bag. It looks to me like the best thing to do would be to scoop the side, scoop the center where the glass is. What a beautiful sight. Hey, you know, we're a long way from the limb. But at least we can see it. Yeah, that's encouraging. You never did remark on that very white crater out there northwest of the limb, did we? No, I don't think we did. It's really, really white, though, isn't it? Yeah, I got you a bag, and it's number 163. So we're going to sample the glass in the middle of it? Yeah, start with the middle, and we'll pick up the rim, too. 163.
Copy 163.
There, how it's all kind of welded together. Yeah. More? Yeah, give me another load. I hope it stays together for us. Yeah, that's good. Like fragments all glued together. What an intricate pattern.
Jump out of the computer, Paul.
Good, that's dandy. Okay.
Okay, which format do you usually put there?
Outlet 4, format 2.
Outlet 4, format 2, okay.
Get you another one.
Okay, Dave, and is that still bag 163?
Yeah, the next one coming up is 164. And why don't you scoop the rim there, Jim? Okay, Joe, it's very fine light gray. The rim is very fine. Okay, can you hold this one and I'll see the other one? EV coming in good now, Joe?
Roger, Jim. We've got a beautiful picture. We're trying to look into the sun at the moment, somewhat unsuccessfully. But the TV's working beautifully.
Well, you ought to look up toward Mount Hadley. You can see that linear pattern.
Roger, we'll take a look, and thanks for the recommendation.
Okay, Jim, let's find ourselves a couple frags down here. There's three within easy range over here. Frags show up pretty good down south, don't they? Uh-huh.
Jim, and are you still scooping samples?
We're sampling a rock right now.
Roger, and we know you're picking up the representative one.
Yeah. And the number on this bag's 188.
Roger, Jim, copy 188, and have you noticed a variety of rock types or just one general kind?
Okay, let us go through them, Joe, as we pick them up, because we can't tell any difference as they sit on the surface. They're all covered with dust. And the first one here is a fine-grained breccia, a microbreccia, and it's got, it looks like a third order with white clast in it. The matrix is dark black, and it has glass within a fracture on the side, not unlike some of the 14s.
Roger.
I'll put some soil in. Get that other frag right next to it, Jim. Here, let me, I'll get it. Okay, good boy. And Joe, the soil is very powdery here.
Roger, copy, Dave.
This looks the same just for drills here. Roger, copy. Okay, same thing. Same kind of fragment. Frangible. You give me the bag, and why don't you take a little scoop right there by the side of the, okay? So those two were. Wait, can you get it? Gotta get back uphill. Most of it. That's good. That's fine. Most of it. That's good. That's fine. Okay, 188 to confirm again.
Roger.
Okay. There's the one on slope with a flat side. Yeah. Maybe we can take that back as a. You want to take it back as a large one? Do you want to wait until we get over to a fresh crater? Let's wait till we get to a fresh crater. Okay. See if we can get some more typical. Here's one down here. To your right? Yeah. I see it too. Just make a little circle around the old rover here. Find some variety. Got it? Yeah. Okay. Okay, this is a fairly large subangular fragment, which is about 20% buried. Sure we'll get that in the bag. And I also see one like an orange crystal in there, like it might be a little piece of olivine. It's got definite reddish orange color to it.
Okay, beautiful.
Get the picture before I step in it. Okay. See if we can get this in a... Oop. I'll try. Do you want to try putting it in the bag? Yeah. This is definitely a different kind of breccia, Joe. It's only got light gray millimeter size clast in it with a fine grained gray matrix. And the clast are about, I'd say 10% of the total frag. So it's somewhat different. Here, I can hold it with both hands if you can stick it in. Let me hold the bag. Put the bag, if you can get the thing in there. Watch my helmet with your... Okay, I got it. Don't make it, Dave. I don't think so either. I got it. Let go, let go. You're pulling me down, yeah. Okay, that's going in your collection bag as a single. And I think you can remember it, Joe. Sorry about the bag. Just fell. I let it go. It's got slick sides on it.
Roger, Dave.
Okay, Jimbo. Just keep going around the old rover here and see if we can find another interesting looking one. As you can see, probably with the TV, Joe, there just isn't much in the way of debris around here. It's all,
Roger, Dave, we agree. Good description, and we might
hey, there's one.
set you out a little later looking for a fresh trader that's brought up some frags for us.
Okay. Jim, there's one sitting on top of this little crater over here. Reckon you can get over here to it? Yeah, I was trying to recover that bag, but I gave up on it. Oh, we got plenty of bags. Sweat the bags. We got more than we'll ever need.
And Jim, on your pan, were you able to sweep around a full 360 degrees?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I have a pan. I'll take another one probably before we leave the area so you get a little stereo effect.
Beautiful. We've got film to burn.
Interesting one, I think. You can tell we sink in about 2 or 3 inches.
Roger.
Material. Jim, I would say that this fragment here hit right before its position. You see that little spot? See that little spot right there in front? Yeah. I think that rock hit there. Yeah, you can convince me of that. And it, let's take a look at it. Let me get the pictures here. Wonder from whence it came. If it did hit there, it was traveling west. Yeah, east to west, and it left a little mark about a foot from its present position, and its present position is on the surface. It's about 4 inches subangular, and we'll pick it up and take a look at it. As a matter of fact, I'll see if I can't get a close-up of the little spot that it hit here. Well, I can lean down. Okay. Did you get the down sun, Jim? Yeah. Pick it up. Hey, that stuff is really soft. Yeah, let me get it with a scoop. Attaboy. Try. I'll throw it up, you catch it. Any luck at all? No, just... right hand there. Easy does it. Okay, let me get down here. Let me use my tongs to pick it up. Oh, got it. Okay, good. Good. You hold it right there. Up a little more. I got it. Well, it's really covered, but it's a very rough surface, very sharp. It's basically a subangular rock, but with quite a jagged, craggy surface on it. And I can see some spots in there. I guess I'd have to call it a breccia. It'll never fit in there. Let me just put it in your bag. Okay. I think we have it fairly well documented. It's in collection bag number 3, which will help you keep track of it.
Okay, Dave, thank you.
They're either big ones or they're little small ones. At the picture, crater over to the west, Dave, has a very light albedo. Yeah, let's head that way with the rover when we get going. Okay.
Okay, Dave and Jim, when you reach a good stopping point, we've got a couple of questions.
While you're asking them, I think I'll take another pan.
Okay, Dave, or Jim, sounds good. And Dave, while he's doing that, could you tell us how far away and in what direction is the large block which you described?
Yeah, Joe, we intend to head in that direction. It's right now due west. It's probably, 3/10 of a kilometer or something. And I think it's on the same slope, maybe upslope a tad from where we are now, but not too much. And on the way, there's a nice, fresh, light albedo crater, maybe a couple meters across. So maybe we ought to pick up those two.
Okay, copy. You can see towards the west, light albedo, fresh crater. As you look back towards... okay, sounds good. We copy that. Thank you. And Dave, another question. Do you think this is a good area for a rake sample?
Nothing. No, Joe, definitely not.
Okay, copy that.
It's, got far. There's nothing here. We just
Roger, we agree.
Spinning our wheels. You swing around and get the down sun, Dave. Hey, let me get it. I'm in better position, Jim.
Dave, do you think that that fresh crater you're looking at might be spur crater? We put your present position as halfway between window and spur.
No, I don't think it's too small, Joe. I think we picked up spurs. We went by a little while ago. We saw it.
Okay, we agree with you exactly here, Dave and Jim, and we want you, when you leave this station, to move back towards the west, in other words, towards the direction of the rill, and looking especially for fresh craters.
Okay, Joe. Okay, another little micro breccia. Bag number is 190. Okay. Get this other one here. Oh boy, look at the bottom of that, Jim. All glassy, isn't it? Yeah, glass all over the bottom of that one. And it looks like another micro breccia. And I don't see any pits in any of these at all. I do see a couple of glass. Yeah, there. This one's got a couple of very small glass-filled pits, but most of them are pitless. 190. Put any soil on it? No,
Roger, 190.
It's typical. Okay, Joe, I took the down sun from a different side on this one. I mean, the cross sun from a different side on this one. If you want to award that. Okay, you want to stick that in my bag? And let's go down and take a look at this little crater right here. There's a little small crater, I guess you could see, Joe, at about 2 o'clock to the TV now. And having trouble getting up with it.
Yeah, it should be somewhere between 82 and 122 in your
got the bag open. Oh, really? Up on a mound. Well, let me get down. Okay. Got it. Okay. Okay, let's move down here. Downhill. Good care. Yeah, it looks like the same. Look down on the bottom of that crater. It's another little crater with a bunch of debris in it. Find a spot on the side here.
Go ahead. Meet you back the last 3 commands.
Hey, look at the little bench on this one. Yeah, I was going to remark about that on the down slope side.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll take a picture of it.
Jim, it's about time for a stem Christie.
That's for sure. You're okay now.
Hey, the snowplow.
Okay. None of those 3 got out.
Jim, I suggest we go down to that little bench. Yeah, we could actually walk in and do a radial sample. Yeah, we can get this here easy. So we don't want to go too far downhill. So we don't climb back up to our rover friend.
That looked a lot
Shoot
better.
for this. They're all too big. Notice you're kicking up some white material there, Dave? Oh, I didn't notice. Hey, you're right. You got a trench. You're right. Sure should.
Good idea, Jim. Sounds great. A trench sounds great.
Trench sounds great, okay. Trench or a core?
Yes, sir. A single core would be nice. They're always nice.
You guys are easy to please today. Then we go to the upper rim up there and pick up the core, Joe and Jim, on our way back up. Okay, let's get this fragment here. Or a bunch of these little ones, I guess. So much dust. On the camera, it's hard to read the settings. Okay, I think the big one is too big to put in, as usual. Of course, we'll never be satisfied with that, but I'll take some of these others, okay? I think they're the same. Dust off a little bit. Another breccia. Bag number's 192. Told it not get a bunch of these frags right here.
Roger.
Some with some glass. Okay, that ought to do it. Why don't you close it up and I'll photograph here. Dying to look at that big rock. Put this in your bag. Okay. Okay? Yeah, let me borrow your hammer. I'll take one whack and see if it'll come up. Like that. Some visibility. Hold my tongs, please. See if we got any variety up here.
Not bad at all.
More pliable than what you're trying to... Yeah, sure is. Yeah, not bad for a beginner. Okay. Good tongues, and let's just get another bag and pick up those two little frags there. What do you say? Evidently your TV is working okay today, Joe, is that right?
It's beautiful, Dave. Either that or it's another ESP experiment.
Okay, a microbreccia with millimeter white clast, and there's a gray clast in there. It's about 3 millimeters. That looks a little different. Let me go down and get this other one that came up. 193 is the number on the bag.
Roger, copy 193, and we're standing by when you start the trench.
Okay. Okay. So would you like a trench or a core, Joe? We'll give you your choice today.
We'd like one of each if we could, Dave.
A trench and a core?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll go up and trench it first and see if it's worth coring.
Okay.
Let's go up on the upper rim up there.
Hope it works.
Work our way back up to our rover friend. Right up here where it's nice and fresh. Hey, Jimmy, dig me a little trench when you get up here. Fast. Make it okay? Yeah. Take my time. Good idea. See those linear features on Hadley, Dave? Did you get a chance to look up there? On Mount Hadley? Yeah. Oh, yeah. My word. Look at they're dipping to the northwest, right? Right, that's what I said. Oh, yeah. It's a big, looks like a big block tilted up on its side.
Just like you called it, Jim, and we're going to ask for 500 millimeter pictures of that when you get back to the rover.
Boy, I was just going to say, we better take some 500 millimeter pictures of it. Okay, Jim. Hey, the other side, Jim, I can't see you. Right. Yeah, but you can't. Well, I'll move around. Keep digging that way. I'll come around. No, that's going to be too hard if you get down in there, Dave. Yeah. I can trench it here. I'm just right like you got it. Keep digging.
You said no?
Except you'll have to. That's right. Okay, I can see it. That's fine.
It is.
Boy, when you put your scoop in, it smooths it out flat just like plaster. I was going to say like cement. Yeah. And I can't see any layering because the scoop just, yeah. It's all very similar in color. Yet whether nice and cohesive, it holds a straight wall very well. Very fine powder, just like graphite. Okay. Now why don't we call that a trench? Wouldn't that be nice if you could do that at Station 8? Oh, I hope so. I hope so. Let me get this, move to your left. And let me get over here. A little further, Jim.
Okay, troops, and we'll be asking for an SESC from the bottom of the trench when you get it built.
A handle, buddy. Yep. Just get in front of me and give me your hand. Okay, stand by. Okay. Okay, that's it. Well, thank you. Get the picture? Yeah, I think so. The rim, as all rims around, are very soft. Did you hear him, Dave? He wants the SESC from the bottom of that. Okay. If you get a bag, I'll sample the bottom. Okay.
Dan, can I get you to send me an LSF4 and LSF2 when this thing lets you leave? See, why not?
Post group? Yeah. 2 for 1. Okay, that's good. Okay, I'll get the SESC. Listen. Hey, Joe, listen, we're going to go over to this fresher crater, we hope. Maybe we ought to get it there, rather, unless you really need it here. Because there's a little trip back to the rover.
Dave, that's affirmed. You will be moving over towards the fresher crater, and stand by. I'll get another reading on your core tube. Copy, you've gotten the SESC out of the bottom of the trench now.
No. We haven't, Joe. You missed it. 166 a bag.
Okay.
SESC, we just got a sample from the bottom of the trench, and since we have to walk back uphill to the rover to get the SESC. No, it's on your back. Oh, just do it. Yeah. Oh, sorry. That's right. Have at it.
And Jim, if material's fallen into the trench, you might want to scoop it out again.
No, I don't think any has. We're very neat. I should stand out of the... Don't get too far down in that crater. Yeah. I just scoop out the bottom and this side a little bit, Jim. About the bottom? Yeah, dig a little deeper. I think you can probably get the thing deeper and...
Give me some more until we get somebody up here to fix it up.
You want me to hit bedrock, I know. Yeah. Okay, I can't see in the bottom of it, but go ahead, digger. Have a scoop load. I think the wall collapsed on you. Okay. Go. Get your scoop up. That's it. That's it. That's good, Jim. That's about half. Can you get another one? They don't slide down in there. That's really slippery. Yeah, I noticed. Okay, that'll be good. Okay, show. Show. Good? Yeah, that's good. Boy, it's really easy to pick it out, dump it out, isn't it? Once you work yourself out of that crater to your left, if you try to come up like I did, you're smart. Let's see, we probably ought to put that SESC in your bag. Yeah.
Good thinking, Jim.
Here, give me the easy end. Good.
And Jim, did you get an after picture then?
Hold that for me. I get it. I'll get it, Joe.
Okay, Davey.
Okay, it's in. Okay. I'll take the scoop. Okay. Now, if you move out of the way, I'll see if I can get in there to take the picture.
And Dave, while you're taking that picture, we'll be asking for a core tube after that. We want you to use an upper core because we only have one lower in the bag right now.
Very well, Joe. We'll get you a core right here.
Roger, core using an upper.
Core, upper core. Okay. You know, it's unfortunate, Dave, that we didn't take that down to the lower rim where the white was exposed. So we don't see the white. Yeah, I didn't either. It seemed like we'd saved the core for someplace where there was definite layering. Yeah, I think so, too. I don't think there's... Yeah.
Jim, we've got a double left. Do you suppose you could drive the single core down where it's white?
Yeah, sure I could. Let's go do that. Yeah, let's go take advantage of what we know down there on the albedo. Go ahead. Well, I'm right behind you. Find a fresh spot down there. Yeah, you sure see the change. Put up on the high point here. Above the bench. Let's try right there. Yeah, boy, the soil is more granular here, too. Quite a difference from one side of the rim to the other. Yeah. Okay? I'm probably just about out of film. Why don't you check with my mag? Okay. Yeah, 180. Okay. Okay, Joe, and you're suggesting using an upper here?
That's affirmed, Jim, an upper.
Okay. Yeah, I have it, Dave. Okay. I don't think you'll need your hammer, but I'll get it anyway. Down and get up on the uphill side here. That's a good idea. Okay, it's in position. Okay, I got the picture. 07's the number, Joe.
Roger.
Oh, easy. Just neat. Okay, all the way in very easily with a push, Joe.
Okay.
Okay? Be very, I wonder, yeah, it'll be soft. Bring it out and be gentle. Don't auger it. Just pull it. You got it? Yeah.
Anything there?
I have it? Yeah. Watch out, Jim, watch out. You're over by the bench now. Don't go any further backwards. Oh, I thought you meant I was about to lose the core. No, just don't step backwards any further. Wait, let me get the picture. I gotta walk over there. Okay. Okay, here's your cap. Good core, Joe. I like those cores like that.
Yes, sir, so do we. That might even be a great core.
Okay, Joe, I'd suggest that we drive on down to that white crater and take the 500s from there, and I can do 500s while Jim's taking a pan. How's that sound? Okay, it's in, Dave.
Okay, Dave, that sounds like a good idea. We'd like a frame count from you before you leave. And Jim, you may be coming up on a mag change, depending upon your frame count.
Yeah, mine's 180.
You want to bring the carrier down?
Roger. Better change it.
I wish you'd pack the slope a little better, Dave. Yeah, we're going to have to do that next time. But look at the rover tracks. I'm going to take some pictures of the rover tracks here in our boot prints both. Look at the difference. That rover is light. It does a lot better than we do. Yeah, it sure does. Much better. Oh.
A little something for soil mechanics. Sounds great. And we'd like for you to put several scoops of the soil in bag number 6 on the hand tool carrier when you get back to the rover.
Okay. Go ahead, Jim. Yeah, that's a great picture, but don't fall down. That'd be even a better picture. Well, you know, the surface here is harder than it was over near the crater. At least you'll get a comparison. Boy, those chevrons do a good job of compacting this soil. Yeah. Man, you know, I'd sure hate to have to climb up here. Boy. Yeah, let's work above the rover from now on. Yeah. Well, you gotta go up sometime. You'd never get here without this thing. Hey. Okay, Joe wants scoops of soil into bag 6, huh? Is that the one on the back of the pallet? Must be. Yeah, but that's... Hey. Why don't we put them in a sample bag, Joe? Why? Yeah. I'll get you a sample bag. Yeah.
Suit yourself, Dave. That sounds good. And troops, before we leave this area, we want you to brush the LCRU and the TV camera lens. We're running quite hot on the LCRU and think there must be a lot of dirt on it.
Okay, there it is, Joe. It accumulates fairly rapidly. Here. Why don't you, get the down sun and we'll just scoop right here.
And Dave and Jim, we're after a large volume here, so shovel it in.
All right, bag number 167. Beginning to shovel large volume. I was saving myself for carbide. Maybe if you go uphill, Jim. You stand uphill. Yeah, me too, but okay, that's difficult to get a full. This is fine. This is sure. That's good. Shovel a large volume. You can shovel it, but you can't very well transfer it. Whoop! Easy, easy. Okay. Good. Good load. Get another one. That's all I can put in there. Yep, that's a large volume. You're a champion bag shaker, Dave.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full.
You know what I like about doing the bags? You know what I like about doing the bags up here, Jim? There's no air in them when you fold them up. Okay, 167 goes in your bag.
And Dave, regarding your question on the 500 millimeter camera, we want you to take those pictures from here, and Jim can be changing out his magazine while you take the big camera pictures.
Very well. Okay, Joe, I copy. I guess you're thinking of the lighting might change over there, and we wouldn't get them because of the getting closer to looking up sun, huh?
Quite possible, and we might want some more photos from there as well. We have the film.
Which mag do you suggest for me, Joe?
Stand by.
Or Papa, yeah. Okay, Papa.
And that's Dickie's
That what you
vote.
got, Joe, Papa?
Roger. Or oboe.
Well, let's get it on, because we're just... Or oboe, huh? Okay. Now I got Papa out. We'll go with Papa.
Okay, and Dave, can you press on with those big camera pictures?
Sure can. Couldn't get them till I got the other film out, though.
Roger. Agreed. And Jim, when you finish changing, you can do dusting and cleaning of the LCRU.
Okay. You've been using a big brush to clean that the LCRU, Dave? Yeah, it works fine. Lens covers off.
Beautiful.
We'll try about 250 and an 8, huh? Does that sound all right to you?
Roger. Sounds good.
Yeah, camera seems to be working all right. All right, I'll get you. Oh, there's some outcrops up at the top. Okay, mag Papa's on my camera, Joe.
Okay, Jim. Sounds good. And Jim, when you finish dusting, we've got some other tasks for you.
You have to wait.
Roger. We're in no hurry.
Dave, that mag's behind the hand controller. Okay. I guess you use the lens brush on the TV. On this, yeah, and it's right in there in that pocket. Don't open the pocket. Yeah, just pull it out. It comes out. Attaboy. Houston, are you going to watch my cleaning operation?
Yes, sir. Looking right over your shoulder.
you can see, it needed it.
Roger, Jim. And could you dust our limbs while you're there, please?
Now. Yep, stand by. Point up and look at me and I'll clean you off. You point up.
Jim, clean the top of the camera first,
Point up
please.
a little bit. Oh, okay.
Ah, that's beautiful. Oh, magnificent. That even made us blink down here.
Okay. The top's clean. If you'll point up a little bit, I'll clean your lens.
Jim, could you give us a little help on the tilt? We seem to be hung up.
Point up. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Could you check the oil too, please?
Okay, Joe, I got the 500 pictures, and I took first Mount Hadley, 2 horizontal strips up at the top where there's some outcrops, and probably the only 2 craters that I can see in the side of any sizable size, and then a vertical strip through one of the outcrops, and a vertical strip through another outcrop, and then 2 craters that are in, guess what we call the forward leading edge of Swan Mountain over there, which are quite prominent craters. And then I swung over to the bright fresh one that we see to the northwest, way out. And then I turned back around to Hadley Delta and shot upslope at Hadley Delta and picked up the debris that seems to be exposed up on the top of Hadley Delta. And now the frames say 120.
Roger, Dave, 120.
Dave, as long as you got it out, don't you think you ought to take a picture of those large ones up to the east? And that suggestion of layering just to the right of the large one? Yeah, I guess so. Let's do that. Except that it's so much up sun, Jim, I'm not sure we're going to get anything in it. Yeah. Joe, you have some other tasks for me here?
Jim, we're happy. Give us an EMU status check, please. We'd like a frame count off of Dave's camera, and then we're ready to move out. I forgot the 16 millimeter. We want you to change out that mag, run the camera at 1 foot per second for 10 seconds, and then go back to normal.
Okay, stand by. I took about 4 more pictures on the 500, Joe, looking out at the Silver Spur and the blocks that are exposed up there.
Okay, Dave, out of curiosity, did you photograph the limb with a big camera?
Oh, how did you guess, Joe?
I just can't stay ahead of you.
You're ahead of me all the time. Hey, the film's jammed in that camera, too. That's a problem.
Rod, copy. The film was jammed in the back. And change out that magazine, please. Install a new one. And start it running at 1 frame per second for 10 seconds.
Okay, we should that's in work. Okay, 1 frame per second, Joe. Here we go. 10 seconds. Okay, then why don't you hop on and let me get your seatbelt. We gotta get moving. Time's a wasting. I mean, light isn't working in it.
Yeah, probably see it.
There's 10 seconds.
Fourth pin from the left.
Okay. Okay, we tried that one.
It's hard to see in there when you're moving.
Okay, Jim, why don't you hop on? Yeah. If you can. Don't forget we're tilted backwards. Good.
Jim, while you're there, can you look over and get a frame count off of Dave's camera, please?
Yeah, as soon as he turns a little bit more to the left.
Okay.
Can you sit back now, Jim? Okay, just a minute. Just talking. I don't know why your suit is so much wider than mine. Well, I'm wider. But don't sit up, sit back. I'm trying to. Swing around, I'll get my camera count on you. Yeah, your seatbelt, son. Well, when you sit down, I'll get yours. Yeah. Here, look at there, down, son, so you went to... Okay, it's 130.
Roger.
On Dave.
And Jim, while you're there, could you go back to normal on the DAC, please? Or off?
Well, I'm back to 12 frames per second. You want me to run it at that speed? You want me to turn it on at that speed now, Joe, and see if it'll work?
Stand by on that, Jim. Yeah, let's give it a go. See if it'll work.
Okay, it's coming on now. Well, why don't you wait till we start driving? Oh, shoot, I forgot the TV. I think it might be, this one might be working, Joe.
TV's...
Because we're off the full mark on the mag. Joe, I'm going PM1WB.
Roger, Dave, and Jim, turn off the DAC until we start driving, and then let's get some moving.